Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vivian. Today's tutorial is just easy to show you an easy way on how to wear your frontal. So things you'll be needing for a quick one is this. You need this go to be glue or this spray. So if you don't have this, you can use the spray alone for your hair. So the first thing you do is put, this is what you have under is this one. If you like want it to stay, if you have it, but if you don't have it, you can just use your spray alone. You know, allow it to dry a little. Then once it's dry, you want to go like you want to spray, use the spray like 3 times, you know. Then the next thing, you allow it to dry because you're going out, so you spray this first while you do your makeup and all that. So before you finish your makeup, it will be dry already. So you want to use your put on your wig. Ouch. So you want to put on your wig and so you allow it to dry. Like I'm not allowing mine to dry though, but you allow it to dry. Then once it's dry, then try to lay your wig down. So once you feel that it's laid, you want to just press down. So because you want to go out and you know, for more, if you have like a wand or a straight a tongue, you can actually just plug it, let it be like a little hot. Don't let it be too hot so you don't burn yourself. You can just use it to press down the front of the lace, you know, so it helps to dry the glue more quickly. So but if you don't have the wand or the straightener, you can also use like what I'm doing. You can just use your hand to press it down, so it helps too. So you just want to press down and so you just leave it till you finish making up and do everything. Then after once it's set and you're ready to go, all you do need to do is just load it up, and here we have our natural looks. So see how natural looks. Okay, so then what you want to do, like once it's too much, like the glue, it's, if I don't like how some, maybe too much, like this place you have too much, so you can just use like water and spray on your brush. Then you can just use it to comb it out, so you don't have the excess is too much. You know, just use your, so that helps to take the glued one out. And you have to be careful so that you don't, the water doesn't touch the lace, so it doesn't come out. So normally this place is always the headache, because once when you tie the hair tie, you know, it doesn't get to this place. So you just want to use a little of the spray, or this one. So just use to, you know, put it under, so that put it under the lace, and then so you can just glue that down. Okay, so that's all. So it just style to your desire. So the next thing you want to do is you want to take your spongy, the used one. You want to just use it to press between your skin and the lace, you know, just to give it your skin color and for a flawless look. So once that is done, you just have to start the hair to your desired style, and that is all. So you're good to go. Is your like right now, you know, you're good to go. And once you come back, all you want to do is, if you don't want to sleep with it, just put it in your shower and take it out. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.